How to put text behind a subject in Pixelmator Pro. First, open the image and right click and press duplicate layer. Then go to layers and select duplicate layer and hide the background. Then go to insert text and then type the text you want to enter. Then right click text layer and convert to shape. Also ensure the background mask layer is unselected. Then next step, drag text layers under the background mask layer. You can press shift to multi-select the layers. Then finally, select the background mask layer to make it more visible. So now you can see each letter is now editable. So you can resize, recolor or reshape as needed. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.